In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no internet connection in Steam Desktop. If Steam says there's no internet connection even though your browser and other apps are working normally, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary glitch inside Steam itself, not necessarily a problem with your actual network. In this guide, I'll walk you through 2 quick fixes that often solve the issue right away. First, clear Steam's download cache. Steam stores temporary files to help speed things up, but sometimes those files become corrupted. When that happens, Steam can mistakenly think it's offline or fail to connect properly to its servers. To do this, open Steam, then click Steam in the top left corner and choose Settings. From there, go to the Downloads tab. You'll see an option labeled Clear Download Cache. Click that, then click Confirm. Steam will restart automatically after this, which is completely normal. Once it opens again, sign back in and check whether the connection problem is gone. This step is one of the fastest and most effective ways to fix this error. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. In some cases, Windows permission settings can prevent Steam from communicating correctly with the internet, even when your connection is perfectly fine. Start by closing Steam completely. Make sure it's not still running in the system tray near the clock, because if it is, the fix may not apply properly. After that, right-click the Steam desktop shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If a Windows prompt appears, click Yes. Then let Steam open and try connecting again. These 2 simple fixes solve the problem for many users, especially when Steam is being blocked by corrupted cache files or limited system permissions.